Kickstarting a tech career, certifications that open doors.
Switching to a tech career can feel overwhelming, especially without prior experience. The good news is there are several beginner-friendly certifications designed to help you get started. These credentials prove your foundational knowledge and boost your job prospects. Let's explore the top 5 entry-level tech certifications perfect for anyone looking to break into technology.
CompTIA IT Fundamentals, ITF+.
CompTIA IT Fundamentals, or ITF+, is a great starting point for absolute beginners. This certification covers basic IT concepts, including hardware, software, security, and networking. No technical background is required. Completing ITF+ shows employers you understand essential computer skills and are ready to take on more advanced technical learning.
Google IT Support Professional Certificate.
Offered through online platforms, the Google IT Support Professional Certificate is ideal for newcomers. This self-paced program covers troubleshooting, networking, operating systems, and customer service. No experience is needed, and the practical courses help you build real-world skills for entry-level IT support roles, making it highly valued by employers.
AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner.
The AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner credential provides a high-level understanding of cloud computing and Amazon Web Services. Designed for beginners, it covers the basics of cloud concepts, security, and AWS core services. This certification can help career changers stand out for roles in cloud support, sales, or project coordination.
Cisco Certified Support Technician, CCST.
The Cisco Certified Support Technician, or CCST, is tailored for those just starting their tech journey. It verifies foundational knowledge in IT basics, networking, security, and troubleshooting. Earning this certification demonstrates readiness for roles such as help desk technician or junior network support, and prepares you for more advanced Cisco certification.
Microsoft Certified, Azure Fundamentals.
The Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals certification introduces you to cloud concepts and Microsoft Azure services. Designed for those with no prior experience, it covers core cloud principles and security. This credential is a strong foundation for careers in cloud administration, technical support, or further Microsoft certifications as you grow your tech skills.
Choosing the right certification for you.
Each of these entry-level certifications can jumpstart your tech career, even if you're starting from scratch. Consider your interests, such as cloud, IT support, or networking when choosing which to pursue. By earning a recognized credential, you'll gain confidence and credibility, opening doors to exciting opportunities in the ever-growing world of technology.